Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
You can give a location, hierarchy, East Coast, West Coast, whatever you want, you can do it. Clear on this. And again, the count that you see the fourth column as well as the third column, the count that you see over there. Again, this all depends on the data source. Your data source is going to have 1 row per active employee. So that is why you see the direct counting. That is actually happening. So nothing else is happening over there. This is straightforward. Clear on this, guys, how this count yes or no also works. Now go to the tab. Go to the report, please. Go to the report. Alright. Now go to that particular first row which says 240, and don't click on it yet. 240, and you will see a small drop down. Click on the drop down. Click on the drop down. Guys, see view by company, compensation grade, super primary position, worker type. These are all the drill down options that we saw. Now get to go ahead and click on, let's say, worker type. Because I want to use a simple one to start. Click on that. Now see here, the same 700 and 249 is split up as 22 contingent workers, 227 regular employees. Total is 249. This is how your real-time drill down works. And again, that 22 has a further drill down. Click on that particular drop down. Now I'm drilling down further. Now go to this particular contingent workers. 22 contingent workers are there. Now go to company. Click on company. Those 22. How am I going to drill down based on companies? Now again those particular 18 in that particular 18, again drill down based on employee type or whatever I want. Super compensation, grade, whatever I want. Drill down, options are endless. Get it? So hope you guys are able to appreciate this. Clear on if this how drill down works, just like if you guys are familiar with Excel or Power BI, Tableau, any of those analytic tools, how the drill down works. This is precisely what drill down is. This is a preferred report. Now hope you get the crux of where this is going to be used, because it's very, very important. And these reports are very much used for making any business decisions at a top level. Your finances, your business teams always use such matrix drill down type reports, because this is going to give humongous amount of information. Alright. Makes sense. And you can literally play around with this. Literally play around with this. Alright. Now click on the 249. The number or the anything. Whether you click on that or this, or it's on the same. So now, if you see over here, if I click on the 249, I get location and manager level 1, your location and your management level. If I'm going to look at the detailed level details, this is what this is going to give me. It's not the drill down option, but for those 249 people, each one of them. If I had given the worker name also, it will give the worker name. It was a worker name. Say it's Arian. Arian is belonging to location 007, San Francisco. management or manager level. One manager is going to be Ching Chong.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.